How to fix iPhone ringer not working. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix the sound and ringtone issue. First, check the ringer or action button on the side of your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone 15 or newer, press the action button until it shows ring. On older models like iPhone 14 and below, use the physical mute switch to turn off silent mode. Next, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Check if Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is turned on. If you see a moon icon, tap it to turn it off. When it's off, the icon will appear gray. Now, go to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Make sure Silent Mode is disabled. If the silent mode is not seen on your device, it's because of an older iOS version. And increase the ringtone and alerts volume so you can clearly hear incoming calls. And that's it. Your iPhone ringer should be working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips.